My name is Clement Ishmael. I am the musical supervisor of Lion King, so it means that I go around all over the world and make sure all the shows are up to scratch, up to par musically. It's a difficult thing for performers when they keep performing the same thing night after night, but my job is to inject some kind of energy into what they do to make sure that everything is as bright and as tuneful and as fresh and as exciting as it was the first performance. So today we were rehearsing so they could actually hear what they were doing, to make sure they were singing in time, to make sure above all that they were singing in tune. The African sound to the show is very important. We have the 4 African languages: Zulu, Xhosa, Swahili, and Sotho, and we sing in all of them. So when we rehearse, for the non-African speakers, it's very important that they pronounce everything the right way.
Same energy.
We work very hard on vowels and detail. We are constantly reminding them, this is how you need to sing this is how you need to practice that. And so if they can latch onto that and they get it, then the audience love it. And they still do 10 years later.